What's up, y'all? I'm back. This is my first vlog. Yeah. Today what I'm gonna do is I will be going to my friend's house because it's their fiesta today, and sorry for the low quality because I'm using my tablet and my phone's here. So yeah, I'll be updating you guys. Bye. I'm about to go home, y'all. The weather today is bad. It's rainy, but the rain already stopped. So yeah, I'm waiting for my sister to pick me up. I'll update you guys when I arrive at home. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back at home. But overall, I enjoyed everything. Yes. But it's chaotic though, but it's okay. I love it. Thank you so much, Daryl, for inviting me, even though I was the one who insisted to go there. But yeah, tomorrow I will have a tournament. But anyways, that was off topic. Anyways, I will go back to the topic. Overall, I enjoyed the experience, and I just wanna say thank you to my friend. Yes, and yeah, I enjoyed all the experience there in your house. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope you subscribe my channel and give a like there, and turn on the notification bell if you want some updates, my new vlogs, or like my routines. But yeah, thank you. Bye.